Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store URL name. Let's get started. So right now, let's head over to our store and I will show you what is my URL. So right now, my URL is mystores123l.myshopify.com. So if you want to change that, I can head over in here to Shopify, then click on the settings right here. And under the settings, I should be able to actually edit it out. So let me just log in first to my Shopify account in order to do this. So if you're having this trouble, then no worry, just use the login. And then from in there on the settings, we should be able to see in here, just scroll down and you should be able to see in here the domain. So under this domains right here, you can connect a new domain that we have bought, or you can also just edit out or just change the Shopify domain that they gave you. So for me, I have the Shopify domain for me and I can edit it out if I want. So on the primary, this is my primary Shopify account. So if you actually change your domain for one time, then you don't have the option to change it again if you already changed it. But you can actually change it for paid if you actually buy a new domain. So this is just a free alternative. And if you already used up that change domain, then you don't have the option to change it anymore. But if you still have that, then you can just click on the change domain and you should be able to input your new URL that you want to put on your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.